Well, it's time for a vlog video. Look at the state of this weather, huh? But I'm going to be collecting some slip rolls and a box press which I've bought off Marketplace. Really nice guy, he's into steam engines and stuff like that, but needs a bit of space. Good for me though, because the last set was something like 400 miles away, and I got these ones, they're 15 minutes down the road, so it's Saturday morning, I'm going to go and collect them soon. Anyway, not sure how much footage I'm going to get of getting these things, because it's just me and the fella loading them up in my little van, but I'll show you them for sure once I get them. Well, so it's the next day, and we've got these offloaded. The guy was actually kind enough to come and help me. And Scarlett is going to tell you what these machines are. Can you remember?
So this is a straight edge thing. It makes something straight bended like this thing here. See? Bend, nice bend inside, nice bend there.
And what's this one do? What's this one? What's that one called?
It's called a rolling machine. It does rolling things.
Yeah.
It rolls metal things and rolling.
Do you think these are a good place to keep them, or should we move them somewhere else in the workshop? Do you think we should put them in the metal working area down here?
Here, the rolling machine can go here.
Alright. So this is the box pan press. It's had a little bit of welding on it I didn't know about, but I think it's been done alright. And the rollers, this is what I really wanted. And the guy was like, yeah, I've got some more stuff. Do you want to buy this? And I'm like, yeah, right. Box pan folder's always useful. I'm pretty happy with it. I feel like it's either going to get painted where it sits, or it's never going to get painted. I don't think it's going to add any value to it whatsoever, other than just looking a bit prettier. But I think, yeah, I'm happy with that. And I'll probably locate these over here somewhere. What are you doing now, Scarlett? You doing some drawing? Popper, that's cool. Got my stairs well underway. Pretty happy with that, how they're turning out. That jig was really useful. What else have I got in? The laser cutting's been done. These are the pieces which go behind here. And this piece will go on the end here. Won't take long to assemble that stuff. So what I'm going to do here, there's a bit of a thing going on. I've got SolidWorks, but it's not the Pro version. And in order to project that face onto a flat pattern, in order to cut it like these profiles, you know, it's been a real hassle. So what I'm going to do is take these 3D printed parts, put masking tape on, cut it off, and then tape it to these pieces, and then just cut it with the angle grinder. And then I'm going to use my press to bend them in shape. So that's how I'm going to do that. I think I want to weld these in such a way that you can't really tell they don't have the bevel. I think I'd like to try that. I was talking to my buddy about it yesterday, and I actually really like that idea. His thinking being, how are you going to figure out how they're done? I don't know. So that'd be quite cool. So really I'm getting close to, I think I've probably got another 20 hours in that before I can be painting it, which is cool. Anyway, let me know what you think about these vlog videos, because I kind of feel like it's good to get a video out so you guys can see what's going on. I've actually had a lot of time like working my other job, the one which makes me money, until I get like a whole bunch of subscribers. I don't reckon I'm going to make money out of YouTube. But yeah, anyway, let me know what you think of these videos. Do you want to see more of them or less of them, or don't really care? Watching on your TV, so it's a bit of a hassle to make a comment. Make the effort, go on your phone, look at your history and make a comment, because it helps the algorithm. I'm like, what, 80 some odd people off having 1,000 subscribers? And when I've got 1,000, I can be monetized, and that'd be cool. I might do some cool giveaway. What do you think I should do? I might do a giveaway on a van. Who wants a 2018 van? I don't know. Maybe I'll make some cool stuff and give it away. Anyway, let me know what you think in the comments.
I hope you enjoyed Papa and Scarlett's channels. Bye bye now, everyone. I hope you have a good time watching the channels. Bye bye.